Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into Oliveria.com, an online store that claims to sell luxury-inspired clothing like coats and sweaters for those who want the high-end look without the high-end bank account. Naturally, everyone is asking if this place is actually legit or just a digital mirage. Let's break it down and see what's really going on. On the bright side, the website was registered in October 2024. While some might call that being around for a little while, in the fast-paced world of the internet, that's basically a newborn infant still learning how to crawl. Still, they've provided an email, a phone number, and a physical address, which is a nice change of pace from sites that treat their contact info like a classified state secret. They also boast a wide range of products, catering to everything from casual vibes to stylish looks. Apparently, having a massive inventory proves they're serious about business. Or perhaps they're just really good at copy-pasting stock images. But now, let's talk about the parts that aren't so shiny. We couldn't find a single shred of information about who actually runs this operation. No owners, no company details, absolutely nothing. It's a total mystery, which is exactly the kind of suspense you want when you're handing over your credit card details to strangers. To make matters worse, they have zero social media presence. No Facebook, no Instagram, nothing. In an age where even my neighbor's goldfish has a TikTok, a brand with no social media is a bit like a ghost town, just with fewer tumbleweeds. Finally, there's a total lack of reviews on Trustpilot or any other major platform. Shopping here is essentially a leap of faith into a dark, unreviewed abyss where your package may or may not exist. So, is Oliveria.com legit? It has the basic paperwork like contact info and a decent-sized catalog, but the missing owner details and lack of social proof make it feel more than a bit sketchy. My advice is to keep your wallet closed and wait for some brave soul to leave a verified review before you start building your luxury wardrobe here. Thanks for sticking around until the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and necessary reality checks.